Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Lucas. Today I'm going to be running through my fall wish list. Got a pretty extensive list, I would say. I haven't really been buying anything throughout the summer, and with the fall season approaching, I figured I'd put together a little list of things that I have my eyes on. Obviously, fashion I think is a lot more easy, I guess, if you want to say that, in the winter and the fall. Obviously you can layer, etc, etc. So let's just jump into the video. Before we do, subscribe if you're new, leave a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, and let's just jump into the first few pieces. I'll start off with the footwear and a few pairs of shoes that I have my eyes on. I think these were on my summer wish list as well, probably my fall wish list last year also. But that is going to be the Fugazi Tibets, and actually they are releasing tomorrow as I'm recording this, so Sunday, August 25th, I think. Yeah, Sunday, August 25th. So by the time you're watching this, they probably are unfortunately sold out already. I will be trying to get them because I've been wanting this pair of shoes for a very, very long time. They are the black colorway, so hopefully I can get my hands on them, but I think they are quite coveted. I don't know how many pairs Trevor produced, but hopefully I can get my hands on them. The next pair of shoes I would love to pick up are the Kiko Kostadinov Chalice lace-up shoes. Basically, they're like not really like a Derby or an Oxford, I guess. I don't know. They kind of have like a sneaker outsole. They got the nice little overflap tongue, obviously, which has been very popular thanks to the Sambas and the Gazelles and stuff like that. But I love these shoes. I think they're very, very cool, very, very different. Obviously, nothing like I have currently. The colorways are very nice. If I were to grab a pair, I'd probably go for either the brown ones or the black ones. I believe they are, for the most part, sold out on Kiko's website, so maybe we'll see a wider release. They're also very expensive. They're like 500 pounds, I think, so that would probably be around 1,000 Canadian dollars, which obviously is insane for a pair of shoes, but these are beautiful, and Kiko, you know, the price points can be high, but the quality and the craftsmanship and just everything he does is amazing. Definitely one of my favorite designers out right now, and he keeps just doing amazing things. So Fugazi Tibets and the Kiko Kostadinov Chalice lace-ups would be the shoes I would like to grab for the fall season. Next, I'll talk about a few upper body pieces, I guess. A few t-shirts. I don't really buy t-shirts that much anymore, but a few t-shirts I would love to grab are just old like band t-shirts, like Portishead, Cocteau Twins, Stereolab, etc. Bands like that, bands that I've been into recently, like Mazzy Star, Bjork, etc., stuff like that. But they are very, very expensive if you want to get like the true vintage ones. I've seen some Cocteau Twins ones on Grailed, and they're about $200, and I'm not spending that much. I also would rather not get like a bootleg screen printed one that's new, like $25. I don't really want to do that, so I'll keep an eye out for a true vintage t-shirt of, like I said, Cocteau Twins, Mazzy Star, Portishead, Stereolab, Aphex Twin, stuff like that. But they are pricey, unfortunately, which most true vintage band tees are anyways. So we'll see what I can come up with, but I'm not really getting my hopes up, and I'm also wouldn't be too devastated if I'm unable to find one, because like I said, I'm just not willing to spend that much on a t-shirt at the moment. And another piece, a layering piece, if you know me, I love my cardigans, and I think Supreme did a very, very good job with their outerwear, sweaters, their knitwear, especially the cardigans this season. I talked about it on TikTok, I think. I'm actually a big fan of the Supreme season. I love a lot of what they did, and the cardigans probably be my favorite pieces. Either the pink zip-up one with the stripes or the black one. I think if I were to get one of those ones, I'll go for the pink one just because I have a couple black cardigans already. And then they have these other ones. I don't remember exactly what they're called, but I'll post pictures anyways. And they look very, very cool. Just very different, something that I don't really have. The texture of it, the materials, just, it looks very, very cool. And like I said, it's something that I don't currently have, a cardigan like this. I also don't really have a zip-up cardigan either. Not sure when these pieces will be dropping. They weren't part of the first drop, so I have no problem waiting it out for these cardigans. So Supreme cardigans, and then just old band tees. Those would be the tops. And then another piece that actually dropped yesterday or a few days ago is going to be the Ouray Type 1, or the Ouray Jupiter Type 1 jacket. Again, just a very beautiful piece, very well done. Shout out to Ray. He's been on a roll lately, and this is just a beautiful jacket. We got a gray colorway and an olive, of course, you know already. Just gonna do the green colorway. Very nice. Button zip ups, one pocket on the chest, just very clean. Price point is very good. You can't go wrong with that either. So if I was gonna get a jacket, I'd love to get one of those. I love my light jackets, especially for the fall. Obviously, you don't want to be wearing like a fleece or a big thick jacket. So Ore Jupiter Type 1 jacket, the first release of this collection that it looks like he's gonna be putting out gradually as the fall season continues. And then one more top actually is gonna be the Arsenal away kit. I know some people aren't a fan of it. Personally, when I first saw pictures, I wasn't the biggest fan, but it's definitely been growing on me lately. And then watching the game this morning, they were wearing it and I realized I need to get it. Kits these days are becoming very expensive and I would like to get the long sleeve version. Personally, I like long sleeves a lot better than short sleeves. As you can see, this one is a long sleeve version as well, but yeah, we'll see. It's sold out on adidas.ca. So I'll have to do a little bit of digging, but I think I could find it. Also, long sleeve versions are a little bit harder to find, but like I said, I prefer a long sleeve, definitely. I didn't buy an Arsenal kit last season. I wanted to get the away one from last season, I think, but again, it sold out quite quickly, so I need to act fast on this one before it's gone just everywhere, because I'm not ordering it from the Arsenal website. It's just far too expensive to get it shipped over from London. And then a couple accessories. If you know me, obviously I wear my hats and my beanies a lot. I have a lot of beanies. My hats, I'm probably good. I don't need to buy any more hats. But a couple of beanies I would like to get, or one beanie in particular, is going to be the hockey beanie. I'll put it up on screen, of course. And if you guys aren't familiar with hockey, it is FA's, I don't even know how I would describe it. It's part of FA. Jason Dill did that as well. And they make some cool pieces, but I would just like to get the hockey beanie. It's just simple, it's cool, it's nice, I like it. I'm a big fan of it, and yeah, it's definitely like an if you know kind of brand. They don't really sell as well as FA. It's definitely more along the skate route. FA is kind of transitioning into like the more streetwear side of things, definitely still sticking to the skate route, but hockey is definitely staying along the path of just skateboarding culture and skateboarding aesthetic. And then I think I've talked about it before, but belts, I'm in need of some belts. I have one belt right now. I've had it for a very long time. I'm surprised how well it's held up actually, but I definitely need some more belts. My friend put me on Monetali, I believe is called, but they have some very nice belts. Price point pretty good. I've been looking at double RL belts, but they are insanely expensive. I found some on eBay, but they appear to be fake, so I'm not gonna do that. And then Supreme also has some belts coming out this season, studded ones that are very nice. Cherry Los Angeles, one of my friends works with them, and they have some very nice studded belts as well, very similar to the double RL belts. These ones have pony hair, but they're very expensive, and I'm pretty sure they're sold out anyways. So belts, I need some belts. I have a few in mind, like I said, but we'll see what happens. Definitely waiting on the Supreme one. Hopefully it's not too expensive. I would love to pick it up. And then glasses. I've had this pair of glasses for a very long time, and it's the only pair that I have right now because my Polo ones, I ran over them, unfortunately, and I love those glasses a lot, but they're gone now. I've tried getting them fixed, but they said they couldn't do it. So glasses, for me, my favorite pair are gonna be the Jacques Marie Mage, either the Sheridan, or I just found they have a new frame that's called the ARP, I guess, but very nice, very expensive, and I don't have benefits at the moment, so hopefully I can find some benefits soon and pick up a new pair of glasses because I've had these ones for a long time. I like them, a lot of people seem to like them, but I'm getting kind of bored of them, and I would like to switch it up, spice things up a little bit, change my frame, and the Jacques Marie Mage are definitely at the very top of my list for doing so. So I think that pretty much wraps up my little fall wish list. Stay tuned, I guess, for like a pickups video in this winter or spring, seeing if I actually grabbed any of these things. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time.